Let's see what is horizontal sorting. Now instead of, let's say, data being placed like this, what if I rotate the data? That is, data comes like this. Month is row wise, salesman row, number of customer, all of these are in row. Okay, I want to sort this. Okay, for month I want oldest to newest. Okay, so I want oldest to newest. So currently Jan 10, June 10 is there. I want Jan 09 to here. Now you cannot do using this. See, when you do this filter, it is assuming that the values are in the column, so it will not work. So only to your rescue, this custom sort will come. So we click on custom sort. Now when I am doing custom sort, see this, it is asking my data as header. Okay, please note that again, when I have said my data as header, this first row has been taken. That means this is still considering this as a vertical item. Okay. No. So what we have to do is we have to change that. We have to change by you clicking on this option. See this? In option there is a orientation, whether you want to sort top to bottom or you want to sort left to right. So we have to sort left to right. So we click OK. Now once you have sort left to right, there is a bug, or I'm not sure, this my data has headers is not coming. Now if you select the whole data and do the sorting, you will find that the sorting will not come properly because this is not considered as a header, and this will also be sorted. Let's see, we want to do the sorting by month. So now here, because no header is being taken, so it will show you the row wise. So row 6, let's say row 6, we want to do oldest to newest and say OK. See what has happened? This is also considered as one of the values and it has been sorted, pushed to the right or wherever its place will be. So how to avoid this type of situation? To avoid this type of situation, you should only select the, so because by default header there is an issue, it doesn't select, so you only select the data, go to sorting, custom sort, you say option, sort left to right, sort by, let's say, row 6, value oldest to newest. Okay, and you can click OK. So see this, it has sorted from the oldest to newest. So undo, see this, it is sorting the oldest to newest values. Okay. Now here, can we do multiple levels? Yes, here also we can do multiple levels. After this I can add level. I say okay, sort oldest to newest, but you will see here, see January, S is coming before D. I don't want that. I want salesman to be sorted in the A to Z manner. So I want D to come before S. So what we can do is, so first row 6, then by row 7. Okay. Then by row 7, and I say A to Z and I say OK. Okay. So see Jan 09, D and S has come. Right. So this is, again, you can apply multi-level sorting to the horizontal sorting also. Right. So we have this one question. Okay, can we use combination of horizontal and vertical sorting? Now, where do you want to use this, Jatin? Let's see. What can you give a use case of this when you want to use horizontal and vertical both together? What would be the use case of this one? So let's say, so you want to sort, let's say this, let's say month, let's say assuming month you want to sort. Okay, please note that the orientation will be different. So this is your vertical and this is your horizontal. The data orientation is different. So there is no option. In fact, I don't see a use case. That's why I asked you. So either you can do vertical sorting or you can do horizontal sorting. Okay. In Excel. Okay. But if you are coming with some use case, probably then you have to see. But as of now in Excel, that's why you see sorting, custom sort, you have option. It's a radio button. Radio button means only one of the option is available. So you cannot have both the options.